Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, Microsoft Edge has received an update which rolled out late yesterday in my part of the world on the 11th of July. And this is basically our weekly point release update that Microsoft does roll out, give or take every week, to address issues in the browser. So, to double check we have the update, as always, we head to our main menu, Help and Feedback, About Microsoft Edge. And after this update has been applied, the version and build is sitting on 126.0.2592.102. So that's been bumped up from 0.87. Now, this latest point release once again fixes various bugs and performance issues. And Microsoft, as mentioned, basically rolls out these stability updates on a weekly basis. So if you have experienced any issues since upgrading to version 126, then just double check your browser's up to date. Now, talking about updates, it doesn't seem that we are getting security fixes for the Chromium browsers this week. Today we are already on Friday in my part of the world. So I think we can assume that Chrome will not be pushing out security fixes this week. So none of the other Chromium-based browsers will get those Chromium security fixes if obviously Chrome doesn't push any security updates out. And the next stable version of Microsoft Edge, version 127, is going to roll out in about 2 weeks' time. So if we head to the calendar, I would suggest that we will see the next stable release around about the 25th of July rolling out for Microsoft Edge, which will bump that version up to 127. So, as mentioned, various bugs and performance issues have been fixed once again. And I have had a quick look around the browser after updating, and I'm not seeing any new front-facing features or any major tweaks and adjustments after this update has been applied. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.